Dear fellow researchers, members and supporters of the ISCMNS, I would like to thank the organizers of this event for giving me the opportunity to say a few words to remember our friend Bill. I started collaborating with Bill in 2018 to organize workshops and conferences in Umbria in beautiful locations like Assisi and Greccio. With its fundamental contribution, we have carried out scientific study and comparisons events in cutting-edge and difficult fields. On these occasions, on a regular basis, we have managed to bring together scientists from all over the world, giving them the opportunity to find new ideas and discuss technical points of view. In this professional relationship, the aspect that I would like to underline most was our understanding on the human approach in the organization of these events. We have always tried to create an atmosphere able to integrate the work days with cultural moments that can relax, but also cultures stimulate the participants, like guided tours of Giotto's masterpieces in Assisi or to the Marmore waterfalls, or even a special Renaissance dinner with accustomed food and live music from that era. At our events, he always demonstrated the behavior of a leader, with great humility, always attentive to everyone's needs, and with a numerous smile to give even in difficulties. I take this opportunity to invite you to the workshop that we could organize here in Italy in 2025, despite this serious absence. We will certainly remember Bill too, and we will try to continue his work in the spirit that he has given us over the years. Greetings to everyone. Thanks.